going to ingredient number 4, kicker. And that is placed 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right side of your time triggers. Now, before we proceed, I'd like to ask you some questions regarding this topic about kickers. Have you ever tried eating bananas topped with ketchup? Or how about pizza with that thick chocolate sandwich spread Nutella? How about peanut butter and tomato sandwiches together? Alright, strange enough, some people do actually eat and love these weird combinations of food. And what's quite more astonishing is the fact that some of you will think of trying these combinations yourself or would want to see others try it in front of you, right? Just because we've read it or heard me say it here. And that is actually what kickers do, okay? Kickers are what I call spices of headlines. They are counterintuitive thoughts that bring your audience a sense of intrigue, puzzle, awe, and shock that leaves them with quick reactions like, hey, that's impossible. Hey, I gotta see what this guy is talking about. I gotta see what this is about. Or something like, did I just read that right? Kickers are actually terms you see widely used by successful ad campaigns. And here are some examples. When somebody says, get thinner without diet, the common knowledge would be, but everybody says you have to go on a diet to get thinner, right? Doesn't make sense. So this is actually something that's counterintuitive, right? Let's go to another example. Play guitar better with lesser practice time. And a common comment of a person would be, I thought you needed more time to practice to get better at playing guitar. Well, it doesn't make sense, right? That's why it's counterintuitive. Here's another one. Earn money while you sleep. And that's way outside common sense of the normal person, the employee type, right? So it's counterintuitive again. Here's another example. Create stunningly beautiful web pages without Photoshop knowledge. And what would a normal guy say? What the? Is this even possible? Now, I hope you get what I mean when we say kickers, right? They are counterintuitive statements that leaves your audience asking. So here are some of the magic words used to set up a kicker. Starting with even if. Get thinner even if you eat 3 times a day, right? Get thinner with just natural exercise. With only, while, without, even without, etc. So if we look at our example, going back to our module example, fresh 8-step blueprint, better than what you get from expensive copywriters. And here's the kicker right now. Even if you've never written an ad in your life before. So it's something that's counterintuitive. You've promised something big, and then you bring something that kicks the nest right straight in the face, right? It's something that's counterintuitive. So that is the kicker